Everyone, it is time for the weekly giveaway. I'm a little bit late. Let's put them there. I'm a little bit late today putting this up. These are not in the giveaway. Let me just pop them out the way. Excuse me, just wanted to show you quickly what is up for grabs. So we have all of these. I'm not going to get them all out of the bag, but we have all of these rusty bulb pins, some corners for your journals, a decorative book plate. We have a wonderful stamp. They're clocks, pocket watches, some lovely, excuse me, I am in my dressing gown because it's getting on in the evening and it's cold in here. I haven't had my heating on in my craft room, so I'm a bit chilly. Oh, Charles. We also have these handmade pockets. And a flip out, we have this lovely assortment of fabrics like this and these, some tags and some bling. Now I'm going to go over to the laptop and get the random picker doodah on so we can find out who has won these lovely prizes. So I will be back in a second. I am back with my laptop. I've added the URL and we see the comments there. We're just going to click start to see who this week's winner is. Okay, there you go. Let's have a look. And the winner is Anita Moran. So well done, honey. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you to everyone else who has entered. Anita, if you could email me your address and I will post out your goodies tomorrow. So thank you so much everyone for taking part. Don't forget, tomorrow we will have a new weekly giveaway and there's also the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So see you all very soon. Well done, winner. Take care. Bye bye.